I ran away from heartbreak. Got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am super excited because it is a collaboration with Nia Nicole, and I'm gonna go ahead and let her introduce herself right here.
Hey guys, my name is Nia and I'm a working mom with a 3-year-old little girl named Riley. And I find that it is definitely hard to try and keep up with a clean home while also working a full-time job. So on my channel, I like to share real-life, everyday messes, and I post tons of cleaning and organizational videos along with quick and easy meals for busy moms. My hope is to motivate and inspire you guys to tackle your to-do list. So if you enjoy content like this, once you're finished watching Sean Yvonne's video, head on over to my channel. I cannot wait to see you guys there.
Make sure you go check out Nia Nicole's channel after you're done watching my video, you guys. She is absolutely amazing. She is a working mom and she always brings all the motivation that you need to tackle your everyday messes. I love her channel. It's so inspiring. So go show her some love. Tell her Sean Yvonne sent you. Now for today's video, you are seeing me clean a part of my home that I don't really show. This is our entryway area, and that's just because there's nothing there. It's pretty bare, but I do clean this area a lot and try to keep it disinfected because we go in and out. We also bring packages and groceries in and out through this area. So I wanted to go ahead and tackle that and get it all disinfected. I'm also going to be showing you guys how I clean the house when the kids are napping. They were sleeping this entire time, and this is what I do every single day when they go to bed. So if you're ready for this motivation today, go ahead and leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any future uploads. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get to cleaning.
Then you came around and you played it cool, but I shut it down. So you took your time, and I opened up. Not surprised by what I found, 'cause I knew I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. But baby, it had to be you.
For this entryway area, since it is a high traffic area and we bring a lot of things in that need to be disinfected, I'm just using this Force of Nature cleaner to get it all disinfected. I also use the magic eraser on the walls and a little bit on the door, but I mostly just use the Force of Nature and a microfiber cloth to get it all clean. And then I want to sweep and steam mop, and then we can move on.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding.
If you're coming over from Nia Nicole's channel, hi and welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Sean Yvonne and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of 2. And I make motivational cleaning videos just like this one every Sunday and Wednesday. So if that is your thing, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here as a friend. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below so we can chat.
Nerve to be on me, faking your life at IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
My kids actually love sitting on this little bench, so I wanted to give it a real good wipe down because it had a lot of fingerprints and marks on it.
Yes, baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away.
So like I said, these are areas that I do clean very frequently, if not every single day, but I don't always film it because I'm always focused on the things that visibly look messy. But I just wanted to share this part of my cleaning day with you since I've never shown it before.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.
Now moving on to the living room, and it is a complete hot mess because the kids playing here all morning long. So when they go down for a nap, I cannot wait to tidy up all these toys and put them away. Of course, when they get up from a nap, they're gonna mess it right back up, but that does not matter to me. I am satisfied in that moment just getting it all back together, okay?
Green and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see. Bringing out the
You know you're a mom when you pick up something that needs to go in the trash and you just put it in your pocket to throw away later because you don't want to stop what you're doing, because that's exactly what happened right there.
I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it. Working out my issues with you, with you.
I also wanted to quickly wipe down this windowsill because the kids stand here all day long and look out the window, so I wanted to make sure I disinfected that really quickly as well.
Any mistakes? Distant, sometimes I get distant. Stay away.
Before I can relax, I have to diffuse some oils. I love peppermint oil, so that's what I'm putting in here. And also, y'all, you know that these candles, these LED candles, go on my coffee table, but I cannot put them on a coffee table during the day. I have to put them where the kids can't reach them, and I only bring them out when they're asleep, okay?
Baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see. Bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it. Working out my issues with you, with you. My highs and
Now moving to my little dining area, and this was a real life moment because normally I would edit out all of this because every product that I use to clean the entryway, I just set right on the table. I even left the Steam Mop in the corner. Normally I like to remove everything, make it look all perfect, but this is real life, okay? And I don't always go and put everything up. I just move it to where it's out of the camera shot, and I kept that in for you guys.
know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it. Working out my issues with you, with you. Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stare, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where.
And last but not least, I'm just going to be tidying up the kitchen. It is not a big mess because I maintain it during the day. I clean it pretty much after every meal, but it does get really messy during dinner time. So right now we're going to get that all tidied up.
Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. I ran away from heartbreak, got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover, nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I then you and you, but I so you and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who listened, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started.
If you are still here and rocking with your girl, watching me till the end, leave me some sponge emojis so I can personally thank you for watching these full videos, because it really does help my channel out a lot, and I appreciate you so much.
You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So I just be. Don't take it. Take it. Just don't deal and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
You've enjoyed seeing what I clean when my kids are napping and you enjoyed all of the motivation, don't forget to leave me a like. Please go check out Nia Nicole's channel. Send her lots of love. Tell her I sent you. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my uploads. Leave me a comment down below. You know I love chatting with you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.